Great Destinations, British Virgin Islands, Part 1. Scrub Island Resort, Spa and Marina. This private resort is accessible only by boat or helicopter, and the Tortola's Trellis Bay dock is a 10-minute boat trip away. The dock is 2-minute drive from Tortola's International Airport. This beachfront complex is located on Scrub Island. It offers an outdoor pool, a private beach area, free Wi-Fi, and ocean views. The rooms at Scrub Island Resort, Spa and Marina, Autograph Collection feature air conditioning, a safety box, iPod docking station, a seating area, and a flat-screen cable TV. Each one has a coffee maker, minibar, and balconies. The Scrub Island Resort serves international and seafood. There are also a pool bar and a beach bar for the guests to enjoy. Activities like hiking, kayaking, scuba diving, and snorkeling are also an option to arrange at this resort. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.